Even my 1,500 SAT scoring students have gotten this question wrong this past week. In the given equation, b and m are constants where m is greater than 5b. The sum of the solutions to the given equation is 4m plus 27. What is the value of b? Okay, here's your key phrase. Sum of the solutions. We have a quadratic because it's squared. You should be thinking negative b over a. The problem is this is not in standard form. And to get it in standard form is going to entail lots of distributing, combining like terms, very easy to make a careless mistake. At first glance, when I look at this, I'm thinking it's not a contender for Desmos. Why am I thinking that? Well, because I have two constants, which means there would be two sliders. But is there really? Because they actually say here that the sum of the solutions is 4m plus 27. So what if we just set m equal to 1 and b is our slider, right? Because if m is equal to 1, then our sum of solutions will be at 31. So all we need to do is move b around until we get 31 for the sum of the solutions. Now, here's one thing I will mention with this. You do not want to enter it in Desmos the way that it is. That equal sign is going to make your graph have lines straight up and down. So what you're going to want to do is subtract that term, this term right here. Let me highlight this orange. You're going to subtract all this away to the other side so that you can get that nice parabola shape. All right, so I've put the equation to Desmos. As you can see, I don't have an equal sign anymore, just a minus sign. And I set m equal to 1. Now when m is 1, the sum of the solutions is at 31. So there's always a solution at 1. And then when b is negative 5.6, I get my other solution at 30, and that'll add to 31. So you can see when you move b, and if you go positive, then you're not going to get what you want. So you really do need to keep going in this direction. And then, you know, once you get close, you can always just like type in some numbers. But there you go. You've got 30 and 1. Because they said right here, m is greater than 5b. Well, 1 is greater than 5 times negative 5.6. That's for sure. So this problem checks out.